Alright, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5, and trust me, your ears are in for a treat with its unbelievable noise cancellation. These aren't just headphones. They're a personal quiet zone, transforming chaotic commutes into serene soundscapes, truly industry-leading. Whether it's a bustling cafe or a noisy flight, the XM5s shut out the world, letting you focus on your music or work. And you won't be constantly searching for a charger because of the incredible 30-hour battery life. That's enough juice for days of listening or multiple long-haul flights without a second thought. Now, for ultimate convenience, the multi-point connection lets you seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone. No more fumbling with settings, just pure, uninterrupted audio across devices. If you're looking to buy the best wireless headphones that blend comfort, performance, and cutting-edge tech, these are seriously a game-changer. The sleek design combined with their lightweight feel makes them perfect for everyday wear. Don't just take my word for it. Experience the difference yourself. Check out the Sony WH-1000XM5 on Amazon via the link in the description below. You won't regret this upgrade.